Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix ERRFIL pack 1 game error. Please reboot and restart the game. I downloaded in FitGirl Repack. Let's fix it guys. Just need to open up Chrome and search GTA 5 script hook 5 and press enter. Select this first site, scroll down and select the download option over here. Select the keep option and start download. After getting download done, select this folder icon. Just minimize this and search another file pack file limit adjuster and press enter. Comes up gtfmod.com. Select the first site. Select the download option. Again select this download option and after getting download done, go back to the downloads folder. Right click on the downloaded file and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, double click on this bin and now you just need to copy these three DLL files, just 1 2 3. Just right click and copy it. After copying it, just open up new file explorer tab and go to the game folder. In my case I saved in a C drive. As you can see, here is the game. Just double click on this and paste the file we copied, and after pasting it, go back and go back to downloads. Now just need to right click on this pack file limit adjuster and select extract all and select extract. After getting extract done, copy this both pack file limit adjuster and just to close stuff here and go to the game folder and paste this files up. And now you can launch the game without having any problem. And don't forget to leave a like guys. Thank you.